I'm in Kazakhstan to uncover the secrets behind the vibrant hues and intricate patterns of the Kazakhstan flag, from its origins rooted in rich heritage to representations of unity and progress. I'll leave no stone unturned in our exploration. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the fascinating stories of the brave Kazakh warriors who left an indelible mark on their flag's design. Prepare to be captivated by tales of courage, resilience, and unwavering spirit of a proud nation. So join me and find out the link between a ram and an eagle, and how Belarus plays its part for this Kazakhstan flag in 50 places. Like most flags, the colour of the symbols are steeped in history and tradition, and Kazakhstan is no different. I mean, you wouldn't come up with such complicated and complex design on a whim. The blue is from the Kazakhs' part descendants, the Turkic-Mongol people known as the Blue Horde. No, they weren't actually that colour, but they did fly a blue banner in Central Asia. There were also white hordes, grey and golden hordes, groups of people who were direct descendants of Genghis Khan, but that's not saying much in this part of the world. In the 12th century, as a large percentage of people were genetically linked to Khan. Anyway, that's a massive digression. Back to the blue. The colour also stands for the great skies, under which these traditionally are nomadic people have lived. The designer of the flag was Shakan Niyazbekov, who also attributed the symbols of the blue for peace, tranquility and well-being.
In the centre of the flag is a golden sun for wealth and abundance, life and energy, with 32 rays in the shape of grain, a symbol of wealth and welfare. All of this above a silhouette of a soaring golden steppe eagle, a common bird to these lands. These two symbols stand collectively for freedom and high ideals of the Kazakh people. Oh, and fun fact, this central symbol isn't in fact central, it's ever so slightly shifted to the right. Why? Well, that's because of this. Along the hoist edge of the flag is a vertical band of traditional Kazakh ornamentation of art and culture called the koshka-muiz, or the horns of the ram. During the Soviet Union era, when flags of distinctive designs were first being developed for the Union republics, Belarus, known then as Belarusia, in 1951 adopted a flag that had embroidered pattern running vertically near the hoist. This basic design concept was possibly the inspiration of the Kazakh layout. The flag of the former Kazakh Soviet Socialist Republic was simply the flag of the Soviet Union with a blue horizontal stripe near the bottom, which was briefly used as the flag for the newly formed independent Republic of Kazakhstan in 1991. The reason being, unlike many former Soviet states like Armenia, Azerbaijan and Ukraine, Kazakhstan didn't have a flag to fall back on, so in 1992 the new government called for a design a flag competition, and boy did they have their work cut out. Over 600 designs poured in, from traditional motifs to modern abstract stuff that looked, well, questionable. Some ideas feature yurts, stars, a wolf and even astronauts. Kazakhstan does have the Baikonur Cosmodrome after all. There were multicoloured flags, flags with way too much going on, and flags that looked like a rejected Eurovision backdrop. But in the end, one man's design flew highest. Shakan Niyazbekov, an artist and stage designer whose vision mixed modern aesthetics with cultural roots. His flag became the official banner of Kazakhstan in June 1992, and hasn't changed since. Well, except for the original koshka-muiz, which was originally to appear red before it was stipulated to be golden yellow, so there would only be two colours in the flag. A wise move, methinks.
And Kazakhstan's neighbours also have fascinating flags, like Uzbekistan, for example, which also includes the Turkic blue. But even more striking is a message hidden in plain sight for all to see, or miss if you don't know it's there. Click on the video just here for finding out all those details. Bon voyage!